Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by finding games you can run without a Game Pass subscription. Sign into your Microsoft account, then use the store filters for free-to-play, demos, and free weekend titles. Once you locate a candidate, read device requirements and file size so you don't start an install that won't fit. Make sure to claim any free trials or promo codes shown on the product page. They often unlock full access for a limited time. Move quickly to the next step once a game is claimed. Now you either install the free-to-play or demo build, or you purchase the game outright if you want permanent access. Click Install or Buy. For PC, use the Xbox app or Microsoft Store, and for console, use My Games and Apps. If you own the game on one platform with Play Anywhere, install on the other at no extra cost. Once installed, update game files and sign into any required third-party accounts. Make sure storage and network settings are optimized before you launch. Finally, launch the game and verify you can play without a Game Pass subscription. If it's a demo or free-to-play title, complete any account linking prompts and test controls and performance. If you hit errors, restart the console or PC, clear the store cache, and reinstall the game. These quick steps fix most install or launch faults. If problems persist, check your account's region and payment settings. Then contact Xbox support or search community threads for the exact error code you receive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.